to the J-Rich channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online with Google Adsense in 2021. As you can see from the data here, on the 5th of May, which is a recent case study, a lot of people want to see recent proof that, can show that it's still working, and this is the proof that it's still working. I generated $266 from Facebook ads. Now, let's get straight into this video and let's talk about exactly how I did this. Now, there's 3 steps to generating 200-day AdSense income that you need to follow if you desire to create this level of success. The first step you must do is you have to focus on broader appeal markets, evergreen campaigns in markets that are long-term, like the car market, like the health market. You have to be in industries where there's a high payout from AdSense, a lot of people are interested, and it has broad appeal. Once you do that, then you need to model. You need to go to a spy tool like the Facebook ad library, which shows all the advertisements and ads that other competitors are running, and then you need to model. Then you also need to model their funnel and pages. Once you've done those 3 steps, you're now ready for the paid advertising step of the business. But that I will talk about more in another video. So let's go to the Facebook ad library. So here's an example competitor who's running AdSense ads successfully on Facebook called IcePop. As you can see here, you want to look at the ads and you want to see how long they've been running for, and you want to model the longest running ads. So one of the ads, as you can see, as just an example, is this car ad right here. And it says, do you own any of these worst or any of the cars here below? So you would want to model a campaign in a market like this. As you can see, it's evergreen, it's car. A lot of people are going to be interested. It's something that maybe 1 in 10 people would be interested in. So when you click on the link, you'll be taken to a site like this, where they will have the articles and the ads. And as you can see, they're monetizing the content with AdSense ads below the articles. So you have the full understanding here of how it works, from the creating a campaign in the evergreen market, like cars, modeling the ads from sites in your market, and then creating simple AdSense funnels. Now, when you combine those things together, you will get results like this, just to show you that, this is real. On the 5th of May, you will get results like this in your business. Now, I'm going to be revealing more videos on the video creation in terms of the Facebook paid advertisement part to this business, because that's a little bit more complex and I need to go in a little bit more detail. But I hope you got value from this video. Please like and subscribe.